The TAO50. More than a rifle, it's a statement, a tool of precision, power, and dominance. With a precision barrel and a patent-pending roller bearing bolt, the TAO50 is built for smooth operation and consistent accuracy, shot after shot. The high-efficiency patent-pending muzzle brake defeats muzzle rise and felt recoil for supreme comfort and control. The left-handed bolt ensures fire control while cycling the action. Available in adjustable standard stock and folding stock options. The TAO50 is built for extreme distance, delivering exceptional accuracy and unrelenting force with every shot. Engineered for versatility, designed for dominance. The TAO50 by Thompson Auto-Ordnance. Own the range.